Hi, my name is Sharon Delen Wachuku. I'll be hosting today's workshop. We'll be discussing essential food nutrients and their benefits. Before we move on, let's look at what food nutrients are and why they are essential for everyday life growth and development. Food nutrients are the chemical compounds found in food that the body uses to function properly and maintain health. According to World Health Organization, a nutrient is a substance required by the body for survival, for growth, and reproduction. Every living organism needs nutrient for life. That is, both humans and animals need nutrient to be alive. We'll be looking at the 6 categories of nutrients and why our body needs them. These categories of nutrients are: one, we have carbohydrate. What are carbohydrates? These are the primary source of energy for the body. The body can use carbohydrates straight away or convert them into storage form known as glycogen. So when we eat food substances rich in carbohydrate, it's that the body uses it straight on as energy or convert them to glycogen for future use or for to be used when needed. Example of such food are rice, yam. So all these carbohydrate-rich food are necessary for everyday work or functions of the body because they provide the energy that the body needs to function. The next one will be fats. Good fats are necessary for a healthy diet. Of course, we have fats that we need to avoid that cause calories in the body. We have good fats that the body needs for body development and growth. Example of food containing fats are nuts and seeds. We also have butter and our cooking oil. Minerals. There are 9 dietary trace minerals, and they are chromium, copper, fluoride, iodine, iron, manganese, molybdenum, selenium, and zinc. These minerals are needed in small quantity but are essential for body development and well-being. We do not need these minerals in large quantity. We need them in small quantity, but they are very essential for the well-being and development of the body. Deficiency of these minerals could result to life-threatening illnesses or ill body of humans and even animals. Protein. This is an important part of every diet. Protein is a part of every cells in the body. It is a major component of the skin, the muscle, bone, hair, and nails. Example of food rich in protein are seafood, eggs, meat, and poultry. So that is, if you want to have that glowing hair, you have to add protein to your diet. If you want to have strong and beautiful nails, of course you need protein. Strong for strong bones and muscle, glowing skin, you have to include protein in your diet. The next one will be vitamins. The best source of vitamins are in food and not in medicine. Fruits and vegetables will provide you with these, and they are everywhere. So why take vitamin supplement, where you can get them from your fruit like oranges and vegetables like carrots? They're everywhere. So let's eat our fruits and eat our vegetables and avoid vitamin supplements, except in essential cases where prescribed by doctors. We also have water. You can go without food for weeks but cannot go without water for days. The body is made up of water and is essential for life. So we can go without food for days, but for weeks, sorry, because we can't go without water for days. The body needs water to stay alive, and a whole lot of our body and body organs are made up of water. Water is so important that it's have so many effects in the body. It helps to detoxify the body, eliminates toxins. It helps to carry food nutrients to every part of the body. When you're fully hydrated, your brain cells functions well and you be in good mood. It helps for the skin glue, hair growth. It also helps to prevent constipation. So we need water. We need to be fully hydrated. We need at least 1,500 ml of water every day, and the equal amount of water we take into our body is also the equal amount of water we eliminate from our body through excretion. So water is very essential. All these foods nutrients are very, very essential for everyday growth of body and development. So we should take our dietary and our food nutrients seriously. Include them all in a meal, and this will give you the balanced diet that you desire. I am so happy to host this workshop, and I remain Sharon Dele Nwachukwu. I hope we've been able to learn some things that will help us improve our diets and our nutrients. If you have any questions or contributions or concerns you want to share, please feel free to comment below in the comment section provided. I'll reply as appropriate. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.